So this is sugarcane, real sugarcane, grown here in the Canaries. And he's just preparing it, and he's going to put it through the machine and actually make it into sugar juice called guarape. And it's absolutely beautiful if you add it with a bit of lemon, a lot of mint, and you make yourself a lovely mojito. What a treat to be able to watch them making it. You see the juice is actually coming out, it's pressing the sugar canes, and that is pure sugar juice that's coming out guarape. And I think there may be a little speck that got on the camera there. Bless me, he's not even looking what he's doing there, his hand isn't going. Huh? Yes. Well, I'm glad I'm not washing that at the end of the day. And that's quite a thick pulp that's coming out, because when we've had that before, it's been quite watery, hasn't it?
Because we had it downed with the rum.
Yeah, oh well, yes. It's the only way to have a mojito.